when you plug in your power, please, you have to do this when it's not connected, and when you're done, that's when you test. When you plug in your power, you have this. You can see a flash of light. Wait for 10 seconds, then you press the switch. You can see it's blinking blue already. Shows that power is correctly connected. Okay, check my power loss. If you wait, you see a blue blinking. Okay, mine is shaking because I'm using a small connection.
Mr.
Yeah.
Is it true that it's not good to drink?
Who said that?
Yeah?
I told him all.
That I'm drinking?
No, it's not you.
She said that it's not good to drink. So I'm asking, is it true that it's not good to drink?
Okay, sorry. I'm trying to make a video. My video is
Your
gone.
video is scattered now.
Yes, that's scattered. All the videos I watch also, gas was worse. Okay, because my socket is actually not stable, that's why you're not getting this. It's delaying the output. But I'm getting another socket point. You would see a blinking light that shows. Okay, yeah, you can see the blue light flashing. Now, that shows my connection is correct. Now you can now use a smart switch to turn which light you want on or off. Watch me. Now after this, you download the app and then you can use your voice control on it. Thank you.